Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we have something big, funny, and actually really funny planned today. We have Nolan going to try to pull him across, the side of the water. I'm gonna be on the bank with a rope on the end back, and then he's gonna be on this. And I'm gonna pull him and he's gonna try to shift into the water. So we're gonna figure out how that's gonna work. We're gonna get down there and I'm gonna test her on a couple things. But first, before we do that, we gotta go find a rope and then we're all set. Got a surprise when we're down there. So we're gonna do it with the Kawasaki 90 today. See if this thing has power, enough starting power, acceleration.
Little test of the water skipping and power abilities.
Yeah, to the Kawasaki. Well, we're gonna get this stuff ready and we'll meet you guys down there. So we just got down here and I was trying to show you what we're gonna do, or him, and we got a little stuck. I'll show you some quick video of that. But yeah, we got stuck there, but it was a quick thing. But we're on this patch used to be underwater this last summer, and so we're just gonna run this, and he's gonna start in the shallow water right here, and we're just gonna go. See if it'll work good.
I don't think it's gonna work that well. But
we've never tried this, so
we watch videos on it, like Sea Boys.
Love the Sea Boys. Shout out to Sea Boys. They made us want to do this. So we got the 90 here, all dirty now because we got stuck. But we got this whole plane right here. It's up. You cannot ask for a better spot than this, because over here there's literally all rocks and you cannot drive on that. Well, Nolan, get ready, dude. Get ready. All right, we have everything ready to go. I'm not the one doing it today because it was his plan back there. So he's getting dressed. We got the rope all set up. The 360 camera set up. Shout out to Insta360. They have awesome cameras. But we're gonna try this out, and hopefully it goes good. It's really cold. Oh no! Let's see what he's wearing. Dude, are you ready?
No.
You're not ready?
No, I'm not ready.
How cold is it?
Feel how cold that water is.
How cold is it?
Cold.
You can see your breath. You can see your breath.
Feel how cold that water is.
Yeah, this is where we got stuck. I know, it's freezing.
Feel how
I don't want to. Oh! Yeah. Oh, dude.
That's ice bath.
That's not good.
That's ice bath.
Yeah, it's around the same temp as an ice bath, isn't it?
Yeah, probably.
We got that filled up actually, so I think we might try an ice bath here.
Okay.
After.
No.
All right.
No, face
well,
the other.
We'll show you guys when we're ready to go.
Yeah, straight A student, but I'm friends with the cool kids. Following the rules and the rubric. Freestyle on the bus and it's too lit. Everybody like, hold down.
All right, got everything ready. You ready? Here we go. Don't let go. Oh my god, that was a fail. Oh my gosh, dude, that was a fail. Didn't even work.
Is it funny?
Yeah.
Oh god.
You wanna try it again?
No.
Where'd your boots go, dude? Why'd you throw your boots? What? Oh. Well, that was a actual fail. We thought that was gonna work. Comment down below what we did wrong and why it didn't work. He's cold. Dude, it is freezing out here. Dude, look at this. Oh, imagine walking down the river and seeing a boot and a snowboard thing in there. Oh, that's definitely not healthy. It is freezing. Well, like and subscribe if you like that. Almost to 1,000 subscribers. So, we're getting there. And we got merch when we had 1,000. We got all the shirts, designs coming.
Dude, come on, ready?
No, I got your boot in the water though.
I don't want my boot in the water.
You don't want it?
Can you go get my rope, please?
Yes. Well, that did not go as planned.
Dude,
Hot tub time.
it's my butt.
Well, I think we live for another day. We got some more crazy ideas coming. But,
We'll ride for a little bit after this part of the video.
yeah, we're gonna go ride, take this, go get some gas. We'll go rip the mini bikes and then go hop in the hot tub. Alright guys, we're gonna go get some grilled cheese across the highway and some tater tots. Things. You think we can say hi? Ba. 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 Ma. Ma. All right, let's get some grilled cheese. Dang. Feel bad now. They're stray. Woo! Alright, well, we're gonna go get some grilled cheese and go sit up on the top of the hill. Alright, we just grabbed some lunch. Now we're gonna go ride. Go. Nee. See how these mini bikes can hold up. They go up anything. These things are so good. Dude, I love these things.
I know.
You make it up. Every time he goes up the hill, I look at him because he rolled a lot. Dude, look! Prince. Holy crap! Why is there so much poop? There's literally poop everywhere. That's disgusting. You just ran over poop. I know, the view's awesome. It's awesome.
Let's go try to climb that big hill.
Try to climb this hill?
Big hill.
Alright, you want to do it? Alright. We're going to try to hill climb, do the biggest hill climb that there is. We hill climbed actually a lot on it. But it's the biggest like hill climb I've ever done. These mini bikes are really fun. They're big wheels, so they just go over rock or anything. Coming down smooth. There's like those sheep have been everywhere. Like there's poop everywhere. The stray sheep. Crazy. The hill climb is right here. This big hill. Like it is huge. Oh man. I've hit it with a four-wheeler and my dirt bike, and that's it, but not these mini bikes. What do you think? You want me to go first? Alright. It up fast. Hit it. That was actually sketchy for me. It was so sketchy. What? Oh, he's scared, little pumpkin. God. Oh, I guess not. I guess not. Dude, I thought you were joking. I was like, why aren't you coming up? What were you saying?
I was like, no, I don't want to do it. Then you turn around, I'm like, I better do it.
Yeah, I called you a little pumpkin. On that. River over here.
Yeah, so after winter, like the water's higher and stuff, like it would be up to probably the foot.
Holy crap.
And there's usually frogs down here.
Dude, there might be actually some big fish in here.
No, I know. That's how they get to the lake and that's how they get back, but yeah, we probably come in here because there's definitely, I know for a fact there's like trapped minnows.
What do you think's in here?
Oh, minnows, chubs, maybe.
Can we get down there more?
Oh yeah. Chubs, minnows.
Well, there's a drop off right here. Good thing we didn't ride down here.
Dude, that's in our missing.
Oh, we could get it down right here.
Yeah. But anyway, yeah. We come down here with big.
Dude.
We can throw spinners.
This is sick.
We can literally throw
Alright guys, there might be a video coming up, or after winter you said?
Yeah, that's when it would be like up to here, so we'll be sitting right here just throwing jigs.
Yeah, after winter. After winter.
I mean, people catch big northern down here, big stuff, like big walleye, because that's when they go.
Hey, there's a dam right there that a beaver.
Yeah, that's when they go to the lake.
Okay, this next winter, guys, after winter, we're gonna do a catch, clean, cook.
Yeah, let's do it.
Catch, clean, cook. Guys, look at this like dam the beavers built.
Oh my gosh.
That is really cool,
Dude,
guys.
If you break that, it's gonna be a whole waterfall. We gotta break that, dude. I want fish to come over here and swim.
Yeah, there's some fish trapping.
Look at that.
Look at this, guys.
It literally looks like so weird.
That's really
It's like a
cool.
whole nother level of water. Yo. Yeah, don't fall in.
Oh gosh.
Don't fall in. Oh, God.
I thought there was a ledge there. There's not. You gotta grip onto the grass. I almost just got drenched. Look at this, guys.
I know, you gotta break that.
How?
Grab the stick.
We need to come back with boots.
Should we?
Nah, let's do it now. Guys, look at how much water's here.
I
Okay.
know. I know.
Okay, we're gonna go catch like the mud. It's crazy what beavers can do.
There we go. I'll make it faster. It is crazy how much a beaver can do.
So we came down here. This is full, and a beaver built this. So we were trying to break it. I came over here because it was all dry, and I realized I can't get back over now. And I'm wearing dudes, and I'm literally, this is almost overflowing. I think I might be, like, I can't get back. I mean, there's a way out, but I don't know how to get. Alright guys, with that video, thank you for watching today's video. Like and subscribe. We're almost to 1,000, and we got some more crazy videos coming out soon. So, peace.